Welcome to the Cover Letter Challenge. Are you ready to craft an outstanding cover letter for a job application that stands out and secures you that coveted interview? Over the next few minutes, we'll dive into essential strategies and expert tips to help you perfect this crucial component of your job application. Ready to transform your cover letter? Let's get started. A cover letter is not just a formality, it is your personal marketing tool. It accompanies your resume, serving as a persuasive introduction that highlights your suitability for the position. The primary goal is fairly simple: to convince the employer to interview you. Think of your cover letter as the first chapter of your job story. It sets the stage for who you are, what you bring to the table, and why you're the perfect fit for the role. Now, let's explore the key elements that make a cover letter truly stand out. And stay tuned until the end because we have bonus pro tips on editing your cover letter. So, what is the purpose of a cover letter? Essentially, it complements your resume by connecting your experience and interests directly to the job you're applying for. Here is how it accomplishes that: it highlights your qualifications. Therefore, clearly show how your skills and experiences meet the employer's needs for the specific position. It also showcases your motivation. You should demonstrate your enthusiasm for both the role and the organization, proving you're not just looking for any job, but the right job. And it reflects your personality. Your cover letter is a chance to express your unique voice and writing style, giving your employers a glimpse into who you are beyond the resume. There is a lot of discussion online that cover letters are obsolete and that the companies and recruiters are stepping away from them, but we couldn't disagree more. True, not all applications require a cover letter, so let's discuss when should you submit one. Here are some guidelines to help you decide. Submit a cover letter when the job posting explicitly requests it or even mentions it as optional. Or when you're applying to a mission driven organization where personal values align with professional objectives. Or when you have additional insights or experiences that aren't obvious from your resume. No need to submit a cover letter when the posting specifically instructs you not to, or there's no option to submit one through the application portal, and creating workaround seems forced. Now let's talk about how to actually write this game-changing document. Your cover letter should articulate your qualifications and motivation for the position. But before you even start writing, do the following. First and foremost, research the employer. Review the company's website and LinkedIn pages. Look out for the company's mission, values, recent achievements, industry position, and specific skills or qualities they emphasize, as these insights will help tailor your cover letter to align with their needs and culture. Speak with current or former employees to gain insights. Inquire about the company's culture, management style, work-life balance, opportunities for growth, and any challenges they have experienced to understand better what it's like to work there. And then read articles on social media for recent news and updates about the company. Secondly, analyze the job description. Identify key skills, duties, and qualifications required for the job. Use these keywords and themes as a framework for your letter. Finally, reflect on your own experience. Think about how your skills and experiences align with the job requirements. Just ask yourself, what attracts you to this role, company, or industry? How have your past experiences prepared you for this position? Cover letter should be formatted like a business letter and include the following section. First, heading. Include your name and contact information at the top, formatted similarly to your resume. Then, address the letter to the specific individual who can hire you. Use their and somebody's name. Do not use their hiring manager if the name is not available. Do some research. Use LinkedIn, Google Search, Glassdoor, and many other sites to find out who your manager is. Trust us, it is important. Hook the reader. Start with a strong opening that grabs attention and links to the job offer. Mention how you found the job. If applicable, reference a conversation, event, or individual that led you to apply. And state your interest. Briefly explain why you're excited about the role and the company. Here are 3 examples we put together. Thank you for the engaging conversation at the Global Sales Insights Expo last month. Our discussion about your team's innovative approach to leveraging data analytics to optimize sales strategies truly resonated with me and fueled my enthusiasm to apply for the sales manager role. I was excited to discover your recent job posting for the marketing coordinator position. With my solid background in digital marketing and content creation, I'm eager to bring my skills to your team and contribute to your company's success in expanding brand reach and engaging new audiences. I have been closely following your company's remarkable advancements in robotics, especially your recent breakthroughs in autonomous robotic systems. I'm excited about this opportunity to apply my engineering skills and contribute to your ongoing innovations in this cutting-edge field. Now, before we dive into more tips, if you found this advice useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more expert insights on career development and job searching. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you would like us to explore in future videos. Now, moving on. Body paragraphs. First, highlight professional qualifications. Match your skills to the job requirements using specific examples from your experience. Showcase personal attributes. Demonstrate how your personal qualities align with the company's culture and values. And third, provide examples. Use concrete examples to illustrate your claims, showing how past experiences have prepared you for this role. The structure of the body should be the following. Lead with your most relevant skills or strongest experiences. Use topic sentences to introduce each paragraph, focusing on key skills or experiences. Walk the reader through a project or experience that showcases your abilities. And highlight accomplishments and impact, connecting them to the role. Here are a couple of examples. At Naxa Tech Solutions, I led a strategic initiative that resulted in a 20% improvement in customer satisfaction scores. This project not only enhanced our customer service processes, but also highlighted my ability to drive meaningful improvements in client relations, aligning perfectly with the key objectives outlined in your job posting for the customer satisfaction manager role. With a degree in mathematics and hands-on experience in data analysis, I have built a robust foundation through my capstone project on statistical modeling. My academic background, combined with practical application during an internship at DataSolve Analytics, has equipped me to contribute effectively to your team as a data analyst. During my internship at Legal Eagle Associates, I acquired and honed my skills in legal research and case analysis by managing complex case files and drafting detailed legal briefs. I'm enthusiastic about applying this expertise to Fox Brown and Associates, where I'm confident it will support and enhance your team's efforts in delivering exceptional legal services. Then we come to conclusion. First, summarize what you offer and reiterate your interest in the role. End with a positive, enthusiastic note about the opportunity, and politely invite the employer to contact you for an interview. Here are a couple of examples. I'm eager to apply my expertise in public policy analysis to help the ministry advance its initiatives in educational reform. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunity to discuss how my background in policy research and educational advocacy aligns with your team's objectives and can contribute to achieving your goals. I am enthusiastic about bringing the skills in software development to your team and contributing to LTech's success in building innovative tech solutions. I'm available for further discussions and would be delighted to provide additional information or schedule an interview at your convenience. I am excited about the opportunity to support the University of Iberia in achieving its next milestone in enhancing student success and campus engagement. I am available for an interview at your earliest convenience and look forward to discussing how my background in student services and my skills in program coordination can contribute to the university's goals and support the success of your student body. And last but not least, signature line. Use a professional closing like sincerely or best regards, followed by your name. And optionally, if sending a hard copy, leave space for your signature above your printed name. Now that you have crafted your cover letter, let's refine it with our pro editing bonus tips. Pro editing bonus tip number 1: use active voice. Craft sentences that highlight your actions and accomplishments. For example, I developed a new strategy instead of a new strategy was developed by me. Avoid repetition. Variety is key. Mix up your sentence structure and avoid starting every sentence with an I to keep the reader engaged. Keep it concise. Ensure your cover letter is one page, comprised of 3 to 4 well structured paragraphs. Use clear and direct language. Number 4, check for errors. Thoroughly proofread your spelling, grammar, and punctuation mistakes. Utilize tools like Grammarly or have a friend review it to catch any errors you might have missed. And finally, tailor each letter. Personalize each cover letter to fit a specific role and company. Steer clear of generic templates and ensure your letter reflects your genuine interest in the position. Down below, we have linked a couple of cover letter templates that can help you on your journey to that dream job. And that is a wrap. I hope you found our tips useful. Stay tuned and keep on following our channel because soon we will publish a video on drafting a cover letter with the use of AI. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, you got this.